People have talked about hybrid cloud, which is a number of different types of cloud and how they interoperate. So you have your public cloud, your private cloud, community cloud, and how do you move workloads from one to the other within that environment. Hybrid IT takes it beyond that, so looks at the traditional IT environment as well. Hybrid cloud is very much a concept that is usable in some environments, but not easy to transfer workloads from one provider's cloud necessarily to another's. Whereas in a hybrid IT environment, actually what you're doing is managing the complex IT environment that you have within your organization.
Sungard Availability Services has been around nearly 40 years. Availability is in our name. We are risk adverse. We like highly available, resilient environments. We like building them. We like monitoring them, managing them in partnership with our customers. Outsourcing is a benefit because it allows an organization to focus on what it's really good at.
Well, for us, the differences, between hybrid cloud and hybrid IT are having some applications hosted internally and some applications hosted externally. For example, our website is hosted externally on Sungard Availability servers, and that works extremely well. They're the experts in terms of the infrastructure and making our website available at 24 hours a day. We're experts at developing applications, but we're not experts at infrastructure. The outsourcing is a real benefit for us because we know that Sungard Availability Services have the expertise that we require. They have a 24-hour number if something goes wrong. They have engineers on call at any time of the day or night. We know that our infrastructure is safe under those guys. I don't have to check now. I know our website is running fine. It's running on their systems. We would never ever dream of bringing that level of complexity in-house.
Hybrid IT is the new normal. We've been talking about this for a little while, but actually it's a recognition that people are not divesting the traditional IT that they've got. They are investing into cloud and they are building more and more of their workloads in the cloud environment. And there's a lot of good reasons for that, from the scalability, the elasticity that you have within the cloud, the cost benefits that you can have if it's managed properly. But people are still retaining some of the mission critical applications in-house. So it's a combination really of both of those.
There's a lot of talk today about some people saying you lose control when you move to cloud. I find it's exactly the opposite, that you actually gain control. We can access servers from home. We know things aren't going to go down. Our systems aren't going to go down. They're in a secure place.
It's very secure. It's government grade, it's banking grade, it's highly resilient.
So in fact, the question now really should be, how secure is something outside of the cloud in your own data center? And can you really afford to invest in that, or should you be investing in an environment where probably it's much more secure in the cloud?
Carl Flannery, CEO of Storm Technology. So I thought it was a very good event, very interesting. Having an end user, a customer, actually talking about their story, typical IT story. It isn't somebody coming from a large IT department. It's actually how somebody had to build it from the ground up and develop a hugely successful business. And yet we're working with Sungard through the development of their company. So it was a great endorsement of the services from Sungard.
Justin Kavanagh from MyBigger.ie. Yeah, the event is very, very informative. It's something we're actually looking at the moment, with changing a lot of our infrastructure to the cloud. So yeah, it was very informative. I found it very useful. Myself, my colleague was just speaking that we'd definitely come. I found it very, very interesting, and definitely come to another.
My name is Rachel Ennis and I'm from MyVehicle.ie, and I thought the event was really good. This isn't kind of my area, but I learned an awful lot. The guys were clear and explained everything really well, so I took a lot away from it, and I'd definitely come again.